nice one. Oh, no. Dude, that's a nice pike, dude. Can you grab that for me? Oh. Grab my, yeah, behind the head maybe. It's like, oh, there we go. All right, buddy. Sorry about that. He's good though. There he goes. What you boys think about that? That was on the pause. Yeah. No, not at all, really. Like maybe like a second or two pause. You don't know. You know. That would be the perfect eater. Finally, I'm not the only one catching fish. That's a hog, dude. Where's your tape at, Gunther? Where's your tape at? 22 and a half, not too bad. Finally, Gunther. That's the same one. Yeah. No. Another beautiful day up here in Marquette. Might be a pike. Might, I don't know. No, it's a lot. Oh, we got some second wind. What? I didn't even, that, he hit that right at the boat. Gunther, what are you doing? That's the best way to do it. me swear as much as possible when I'm trying to make a video. This would definitely be the ideal circumstance to have some pliers. Preferably not now. You got a walleye on? Are you sure it's not a smallmouth? A smallmouth? A smallmouthosaurus? That's a nice fish. Is that a waller? That's definitely a smallmouth. That's a 20. That's another 20. 21? You're calling her 21? Alex is hooked up again. Oh, he lost it, rookie. We got ourselves your typical UP double snag. Oh, Gunther's hooked up. Alex is hooked up. It's been a while. Oh, almost a double. We're on the little northern there. Not what we're after. Well, oh, that's probably the best way to release a fish. I was questioning this bait, but we got another one. Oh, good thing I already got holes in these waders, so I definitely just put a hook in them. I'm king of the perfect eaters, if we could keep them. Oh, he's hooked up. I screwed my line up, so. Another nice eye. Got like, probably at least like 10 walleye and maybe like 4 pike by now. It's a 20. 18, 20. You think he's gonna go 19? Oh, I just had one. Oh, Alex is slaying them over here. Another nice eye. I definitely got him. Some sort of a hiccup in my line here. Get that out of my line real quick. Gunther's hooked up. Okay.
Should I just start yelling swear words?
Probably not. That's at least a
16, maybe 17. T-bone. This smallmouth bass.
That is a very nice smallmouth bass. We're out here, honestly, guys. I swear to God, we're actually trying to catch smallmouth bass. Google tells us they're in there. They don't seem to be in here though. Got one? All right, well, a nice little jack.
Look how far down it is.
Oh, he swallowed her up. Oh my gosh, I can't catch a fish. Now everybody's just making me look like a fool.
Catch him back up to him.
Oh yeah, sit, Gunther. Is that a waller?
I told you this thing was stacked.
You don't even know. Well, we spanked the fish.
I'd say
Over 20 probably for a rather poor weather day, as they would say. And We were out here and we got her done. Made her happen. Gonna go and get out of here now. Hey, you're good. You're good.